What's up, y'all? What's going on, y'all? Yo, what a fucking beautiful day it is. If you ain't in my morning group, man, I don't know what to tell you. If you are not in my AM group, man, I don't know what to tell you. Music in the background, you guys can hear that? Shit, let me turn that down real quick. Psych! What's up, motherfuckers? Wake up, bitch. What a beautiful day, bro. Yo, big dog, can you explain how to use ATR? I might. One in the chat if I should explain it, two in the chat if I should not. Oh, we got a two. We got a two in the chat. That means I will not be explaining it. Did you see what gold is doing? I don't care, bro. I don't trade gold. So for those of you who don't know, I damn near doubled my account since I started. It took me 42 days to do it. It took me 42 days to do it, bro. And I'm fucking hyped today. I went ahead and treated myself into some amazing shit right after stream. And I'm tired as fuck, bro. I haven't slept for shit this week, and it like kind of caught up to me this morning, but you know, rise and grind, we do it every single day. How you do one thing is how you do everything, and I'm the most consistent motherfucker I know. I just want to start with that. I'm fucking hyped. I'm fucking hyped, bro. Nobody does what I do, at least in my head. I'm sure there's a couple people who do what I do, bro. For me, ain't nobody do what I fucking do as consistent as I do for as long as I've been doing it. And what the hell is this price action here, bro? What the fuck are we looking at? All right, before we get into more boasting and talking about the ATR, because all I'm going to be doing today is boasting and talking about the ATR. Let's see if we got any trades that'll potentially form. Now, before we even, we'll get right into it, but bro, look at, for the past, since I've been out the house, the past like 3.5 hours, bro. Like, the market has not went anywhere, bro. It's insane. And so until we start to break out of this range, if we break out of this range, and I mean it, there's no aggressive entries for me today, bro. We got to start fucking moving and start pushing and start showing some type of aggression going towards next levels, because this is ugly, bro. I don't even know where to mark up at this point. We're just sitting in such a disgusting range. So if we start to break above this high here, which I guess we're not that too far. That would be the only aggressive time I get into a trade. But we played that shit yesterday, if you guys remember. We played the same exact shit yesterday. Price was hovering around these lows on US30, which I'll go look at in a second. I tried to get in aggressively early when we broke pretty much above that range high instead of waiting for exterior highs, which is sitting up here. And the same shit that happened the 5 times before we came to that level We saw like a point or two of profit and then came right back within the range again. And so I don't want to deal with that shit today, bro. If we don't get some aggression pushing above these highs somewhere in this area, or if we don't get some aggression pushing below these lows somewhere in this area, um, it'll just be a no trade day here, and we'll just do nothing but education and teach you guys something. You know, that's where I'm at. But that's what NAS is looking like. We are in an aggressive 180 point range and just waiting for that damn thing to push out of it and give us some type of direction as to where price wants to go to next. US30 on the other hand. US30 is ugly as fuck, bro. Oh my god, what is going on here today? US30 is ugly as fuck, bro. It's just like consistently every time we come up to this area of rejection, we continue lower. I can even tighten this up to a lower high, hopefully, but we're just sitting in like, let me tell you, man, this is some of the ugliest price action I've seen in a long time, and that's saying something for PM session, because PM session's already choppy and ugly, but this is aggressively showing just lack. I don't know if it's lack of participation. It's definitely lack of direction, but I don't see buyers or sellers in control. I don't see any control right now. We're just sitting directly in the middle of a disgusting range, bro. It's nasty. And so we have some options here. We can start to take a break above kind of this mechanical high here. But again, it's just it's like the same fucking thing as yesterday, bro. And let me mark out that whole area of rejection. Or at least we broke below that, our area yesterday. It's the same thing as we were just talking about on NAS. If we start to break above this mechanical high sitting right here where I have this arrow, I mean, yeah, we could potentially get a bit of a better entry, but if the same thing happens as yesterday, we're simply still trading in the middle of a range. And we could potentially just come right up, which is what, 10 points away from this actual area of rejection, and just come right back within the range. Right off rip, bro, you know? These are just like lower probability aggressive trades. And I myself trading this challenge, I mean, I guess especially how I've been doing on my live account, bro. I know the case of the fuck hits is kind of heavy when I'm trading a challenge account. I'll keep it completely honest with you. But I know a lot of you guys are doing this with me as well. And if we don't see any type of credible setup, we're just not going to take the trade. That's where I'm at for the day. All right, so we got a bit of a way to go. As far as shorts go, for the last time, I know we've said this 3 times now, but if we take a break below this mechanical low, bro, the true whole area of rejection, especially on 15-minute time frame, is this low down. I mean, it's this whole fucking area here. And so we can try to get ourselves in a bit aggressively, which is like, oh damn, like 80 points before coming down to low, so we can put our stops to break even. And then if we end up rejecting, you know, we'll already be protected at that point. But again, it's just a lower probability setup, bro, because we're sitting in the middle of a fucking range. As middle as you possibly can be in a range. All right, so that's where I'm at. Let me put a split screen up here and see what y'all are talking about. What are y'all talking about? You ain't talking about nothing. Huh? You ain't talking about nothing. Bro literally made 90K in a month and a half. Bro, listen, bro. I'm very proud of myself for the new levels I've achieved this year, but please understand, I haven't even been going that crazy, bro. My win rate is probably sitting at like a 55-60% max right now between the two sessions. I've had 2 or 3 not crash out days, but days where I've lost over 30K over the course of like 3-4 trades. I mean, I've been up and down like a motherfucker, but it just goes to show, if you're trading for high R to R, if you're sticking still the probabilities of this foundation, which is just taking breakouts with volume, it's really tough to be an unprofitable trader. And the reason why people don't succeed is just simply because of emotions, you know? A lack of confidence in their system, which results into emotional trading. I don't do that shit. I have full confidence in my system. I understand exactly what it does over the course of time. So even when I have a frustrating day, even when I have a frustrating couple days in a row, it still doesn't deter me from doing what I know I need to do to be profitable, which is just trade the fucking system over and over and over again, allow for the probabilities to play out. So today's a beautiful day, bro. That's where I'm at. And if y'all fuck with me, make sure you like the stream, because I fuck with y'all. And, you know, appreciate the engagement and shit, you know? Fuck yeah, Emmitt. I'm hyped since Dax. I told you yesterday on here we were about to eat. Zing Pow. We're eating, bro. Thanks for the education videos. Today was a big one. Thanks, bro. Yeah, much love, man. I hope all of you guys are joining into the education and making something of it. Me, you know, everything I do, I want to do it to the best of its possibly degree, and I put my actual soul into that education just based off of feedback I got from others, obviously mostly dependent on the data I've collected over the years. And, man, I'm barely getting any fucking traction from that shit, to be honest. I spent 2 months of my life just going to town on those videos, and it's fucking hurts my soul that they're not going too crazy. But it is what it is, man. Onwards and upwards we go. Streamlabs bot must be out of here or some shit, I don't know. But for the people who it does reach, the people who do take it seriously, very excited to see where you guys go with your career and do the same shit I'm doing here. It's not that hard, it just takes time, which is what people don't want to hear. It is not that hard, it just takes time, bro. Alright, now let's go to this ATR real quick. Average to range for all you new people. If anybody's even new in this bitch, let us know. And for people who don't understand what ATR is, even though there's a whole video on it, it's just simply the average to range, bro. So everything we do as far as scalp traders, I mean just volume traders in general, we want to be as in close compliance as we possibly can with the current volume when it comes to our stop loss placement. That's why a lot of times when you guys see me put a position up, it looks identical to how big the previous couple candles are, and that's because of the ATR. All the ATR is over the last 20, mine is set to period 20. I mean, other people have different periods, but over the last 20 candles, each individual candle on average is printing whatever that number is. And so if I were to grab my measuring tool and I were to measure the last 20 candles and took the average of that number, that is this number that it's giving me. So it just gives me a really good indication of what the volume is during that set period of time. And that's where I, for the most part, place my stop loss. Now there's normal ranges with US30 and NAS. More often than not, US30 and NAS are running between like a 25 to 60 point ATR, which you'll see sitting up here. And so that's why we usually always use a 30 point stop loss always. Anything above 60 is going to be a high volume day, which is we have now, and anything below 20 is quite a low volume day. But that's all ATR is, just kind of making sure we're staying in check with what current volume is during that exact period of time. All right, makes sense? Looks pretty clean because an absolute fucking legend made this fucking indicator. You the man, Rebel. Appreciate the hell out of you, bro. Break down DAX from earlier so those who weren't there see how we cooked. My boy hyped about DAX, bro. DAX was simple. We just got really aggressive. I didn't want to take... It's the same shit every single day. When market opened up here, we were already far away from... Let me come back here on this shit. I mean, let's be honest here. The market's not fucking moving anywhere, so I can just go to one screen. 1 second. Yesterday was pretty aggressive, bro. Yesterday was very aggressive. Going to 15-minute time frame, we had our resistance sitting up here. We had choppy ass support sitting like all the way down here, which is barely a support in my opinion, to be honest. So, unfortunately, 5 minutes before market opened up, we already pushed above highs. And if anybody knows me, did we create the double top here? We did. We created pretty much a double top here. Once market already breaks above a high or below low right before session open, I'm like waiting for new structure to form before I take a trade. And fucking yet last night, I was like, all right, we just created this double top. I think it's going to be a direct market open trade. As soon as the market opens up, I think we're going to take a trade. But I got a late ass entry, bro. I waited for price to open up. I wanted to make sure within like 30 seconds that we're not just going to push above highs, as this is a major level of liquidity, and just go the opposite direction. So, shit, bro. We waited like 30 seconds, maybe a minute. I got an entry all the way the fuck up here. Targets hit extremely fast, and then we moved on with our day. Another day, another dollar, big dog. And then price came back to tap. I think it pushed up higher from that point for 1 to 5. I was not in it at this point, and then market tanked from that point. Or sit sideways, I guess. Yeah, Rebel, I think that bitch is not on right now, bro. Let me actually just go check. Might as well. We got time. Again, NAS is on the left-hand side. US30 is on the right-hand side. Holy shit, bro. Barcode, 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 barcode. Oh my god. Oh my god, barcode. Oh my god. Because of Emma, I'm up 1K this week, way more than what I make in a week in my dental assistant job. But of course, it took me since January to learn and listen and be patient. Thank you. That is amazing, Soraya. If that's on your personal account, for the culture, fam, just take a withdrawal out. I don't know if you've already been withdrawing or whatever. I assume not, since you only started in January. But take a withdrawal out for the culture. Put it in your bank account so it's actually real. And then this boasting we're talking about is actually true cash. You're doing something that 90% of people never get to achieve, which is actually extract money from the markets. You start to do it a couple times, then you're really pushing into the 5% and lower. A damn barcode, so much movement to go nowhere. Holy crap, bro. What is going on with that? All right, let's do CloudBot real quick. Don't worry, I have the charts directly in my face, so we're chilling. CloudBot is here. It's just tired right now. CloudBot is here. It's just tired. Yo, Rebel, put this up. Exclamation mark Zen loss. Let's see what it does. Oh wait, don't do Zen loss. We're not losers. Do Zenjament. Do this one. Yeah, do that one. That's the one I want to see. Bro, higher win rate or bigger RR? Bigger RR, bro. Fuck it. Who gives a shit about a win rate? Who gives it? Probably had the lowest win rate I've had in a while the past couple months. Yeah, I've made the most money I've ever made in the past couple months. That's just a lot of intuitional based too, though. I just kind of been cooking, if I'm being honest. I've honestly just been cooking. Damn, Rebel must have lost. I'll do it myself then. Sentiments. Congratulations. We just stole someone's money again. Alright, so there you are, StreamYard. Wake up, bro. What are we doing here? Yes, sir. I will be saving that to go on vacay this year with my kid. Wow, that's nuts. That's incredible. I'm proud of you. That's the real deal, Holyfield. That's what I'm here for. For some reason, education's not working, but the other shit is. So I don't fucking know, bro. Socials is working too, or we just like glitching here today? Yo, what's up, EP Trades? What kind of fucking name is that, bro? Imagine if my name was Emmitt Trades. Gay. Just joking, bro. What's up? How you doing? Bro said, I think we can look for buys on YM. Yeah, everything is screaming buys right now. If it wasn't for this huge downtrend we've been going on for the past couple days, I think specifically the last 10 minutes of extreme 130 point push lower, between those two, definitely just screaming buy the market right now. I agree with you, bro. Great analysis. You're killing it. We're in a range. Big W for Guruchara for letting us know that we should be buying YM right now. Some people are just really fucking smart. How much time a day should someone spend on the charts when you're starting to grasp concepts, etc., to avoid analysis paralysis? I mean, analysis paralysis, bro, can only be done when the fuck you doing, EP? You walking outside and shit?
Yeah, I'm going for a little walk for I need to get outside the groove.
Bro, your shit's cutting out. Bad.
Here. Better now?
Yeah, it's better now.
Yeah, I'm trying to get tan for the ladies.
Oh, you need more than that for the ladies, bro. They don't fuck with you.
How was your trading day?
Amazing, bro. I'm fucking on fire right now.
There you go.
You keep fucking around with them ladies, you about to be on fire too in all the wrong places.
Hey, that just brings a little spice to my life. See, things are going too well right now. I need something to hold me back.
Yeah. I mean, go find Jesus, bro. That'll help. That'll be the first start.
There you go.
What's up, bro? How you doing? You good? You just chilling, walking?
I'm good, bro. I had on my live account a little 12K a day, so I'm happy.
What? You had a 12K day?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. I guess you do got to
Oh,
pay
hold
for
on,
that
let me get
office. Holy fuck. Congratulations, dude. That's nasty. Stephen Owens says that's crazy. You could be there too, Stephen Owens. You just worried about the wrong shit, bro. Yo, what do you think about YM buying up right now?
I think it's risky. I I think if anything, it would sweep the swing lows before it buys up.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%. Is EP enjoying the office vibe? Nah, bro. EP's trying
I
to walk outside to get his steps in so he can go find some biddies, bro. This motherfucker's locked out.
exactly.
Let's get
It's
this man locked back in.
it's 90 degrees today, so I need to get in the sun and take advantage.
He said the burning thing is crazy. That was crazy. Big dog, what up, G? Yo, EP, come out here, bro. Come out here.
Depends the dates. I'm hitting up Bali. Oh,
27th.
20. Fuck. All
No,
right.
I'm
I
not
have
going to
to
Bali, bro. I'm about to have a kid, bro. I gotta be home with my
I
lady all the time until she has a child, and then
I
we're gonna
forgot.
escape route, bro. Trust me, I got it all, everything lined up. I already got a new apartment. As soon as she pops the thing out, we out this motherfucker.
I forgot people are living life how it should be. I'm just over here fucking doing random ass shit.
Yeah, nah, people are living how they should be, bro. They're watching me trade at fucking 2 in the afternoon on a Thursday. What else should they be doing? Man, always at Bali. Yeah, he just likes those lady boys, bro. And they got a big culture of them out there, so he really gets to town.
Yeah, that's my vibe right there.
First thing
Uh,
he does when he meets a girl, he tells her to lift up her chin. If he doesn't see a ball, he says next. That's crazy. Big dog, help me make some money today. Haha, trying to learn. We trying, bro. We're just sitting in a nasty range right now. This is,
Dude,
you know.
price action is terrible.
Mm-hmm. It's
Yesterday
fucking
too.
disgusting. How long he been trading? White Talk has been trading for 5 years, 6 years, 4 years,
6.5. 6.5.
6.5 years.
Yeah. And then you're like 11, huh?
Yeah, this will be my 11th year. So he's been trading for 30% of his life.
Wait. Is that true? 22. I literally, I just turned 22 this week. So was that like 6 times? Shit. I
You
think you're
tell
right.
me, bro. Nah, it's like four, a quarter, about like 27, 28% of your life. How old is he? He's
I just turned 22.
22.
Yeah.
Is NAS 100 similar to MNQ? No, they're the
Same
exact
exact
same.
thing.
Trading ranges till trend touch. Yeah, bro, it's just like
Bro,
this is nasty, bro.
I've been discretional as fuck in my trading lately, and it's just been eating.
Yeah, no, same page. Aggressively discretional, bro, this entire year, to be honest.
Yeah. Bro, I've been averaging like 5 to 10 trades a day, and this week I'm up like 28 R.
Holy shit. I don't know what R I'm up. I'm just a monetary gain trader. I'm up nasty this fucking month, though, bro.
It's a
Yeah,
good
my
month.
hair is. I'm itching like a motherfucker.
It's that green dye, or blue dye.
Oh. I'm about to. I'm gonna. Once I'm done with this, once we're done with the event, I'm gonna do like some type of challenge where if I lose the trade during that day, then I'm gonna cut my hair and I'm gonna purposely lose it so I can cut my hair.
Would you ever go like bald? Like bald?
Yeah, yeah, bro. I just need a new start. I'm tired of fucking keeping up with the dyes and all this extra shit. You know, like I just want to just send it all home.
Yeah.
I think I'll miss it. I've already done this once. For you guys who don't know, I used to have my hair down to my belly button, and then I cut that shit when I moved out here. And I didn't. I don't know. Like no, I don't regret it. I'm actually glad I cut my hair. But this time around, I'm ready. If I do cut it off, I'm cutting the whole fucking shit off. Maybe you should
Yeah.
just do a buzz. Yeah, for sure, bro.
You have your nice brown hair when your kid gets born for the pictures.
Yeah, I mean, I don't shit, bro. I don't give a fuck what people think about shit. Everybody lives in my life. I've always been that person. My girl's the same way. You know,
That should
this
be.
is our world. People just live around it. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a good way to be.
You gotta be the main character.
How many contracts should we be using, brother? I'm still new to this. I'm trading CFDs, bro. So we operate out of lot sizes. But if you go to Google, let's do it together. Google.com, and we type in contract.
Look up
size,
futures
calculator.
contract calculator. That's what I use.
And then you go to Insider Week, or EP uses this one sitting down here. You can
Nah,
type in
the
all
top.
the numbers,
Oh,
bro.
yeah.
You can put in whatever the shit is. 25,900. Let's say you want a 30-point stop loss of 25,870, because from 870 to 900 is 30 points. And then it'll tell you right here, one contract. Is it gonna make me log into this stupid ass shit? 25. No? What do I have to do? All right, maybe you have to use EPs now. I don't know why it's not working.
Are you on the right? You have to click long or short.
I did.
And then you have to make sure your stop loss and entry aligns with the long or short trade.
I did. Entry 25,900, 25,870, profit 1 to 3.
Scroll down, and then that contracts will tell you how much you'd be risking.
It usually does, yeah, but it's not doing it.
Huh.
Fuck kind of weird ass shit. I'm logged in too, which is very interesting. So.
Yeah, I haven't used that website in a minute. I'm not sure.
Yeah, same. All right, so this is what he uses. You can put whatever
That's what I
pair
use.
you have
Yeah.
up here. You stop loss, you can use 30 points, and then risk whatever 1%. Which risk is kind of stupid because you just want to see what contract size is per. Where is it at? Tick value $5, max drawdown. Lucid? Oh, this is confusing as fuck. Where's the contracts at?
They're at the bottom. Look, wait, let me go back. No, go up. Right there. So you have to put in like your ticker. So do MNQ because that's what he was talking about. So do that one right there, and then it's the one right under.
There it is.
Yeah, and then choose your account balance. Say like 50K.
10K. Here we are.
10K. There you go. It tells you your contracts right there. They give you 16 contracts.
16 contracts. Which means you're gonna be risking $1,000 with a 30-point stop loss. Ah, I see. Hell yeah. That's pretty clean too. I just don't trade futures, bro, so I don't know the calculation for it. I just use calculator. Big dog, do you start from the 4-hour chart to lower time frames? Nah, big dog. Sometimes I look at to see what's going on in an hourly time frame before we're just in a major level of rejection, but rarely even do that shit either, bro. 5 and 15-minute time frame. I'm a scalper, so I could care less what's going on in 4-hour on daily time frame. It has no stipulations of what's going on directly right now, and so I really try to stay concurrent with as close to lower time frames as I possibly can. 5 and 15-minute to assess.
Not even a 4-hour like support and resistance.
No, I don't give a shit. I eye it. You know, like if there's an area that continuously is pushing away from that. Like yesterday, we were looking at hourly support, but it's rare, bro. I'm really, really dependent on 5 and 15-minute time frame. I'm aware of it, but it doesn't run my trading. We could be sitting at a 4-hour support, and I'm aware of it potentially being a lower probability trade, but it still doesn't negate away from you potentially taking it if there's volume pushing into that area during the time that I'm trading. I'll still probably take that shit. So it's like, it's just like I guess just an additional confluence, but it's not a hindrance for me not to take a trade.
Yeah.
Select market. You have to select something at the top. Oh, thank you. Just tell them the equation. That's for CFDs, not for futures, Jaime. How about you tell him the equation, Jaime? Did the system already release? Let me see real quick. Yeah, hold on.
You ever go to the beach, Emmitt?
I just went yesterday. Are
Oh
you in
no.
my Discord? Oh, here, hold on. I'm just gonna show you anyways. Using unit how to calculate risk. March 10th. Yeah, here it is. Solid. Bro, watch this video. Go watch this video. Whoever needs to calculate CFDs, watch that video. By the end of it, you understand the entire equation. It'll be completely. It's just a long lesson, so I put time into it. You might as well go watch it. EP, look at this shit, bro.
What is it?
I made this shit yesterday.
In your Discord?
Whoops. Yeah, I'm showing you right now though on here.
What's
Can you,
Celsius to
can you see my screen?
Yeah.
I made that shit.
Oh, it's fire.
Yeah. It looks pretty
Represent.
gangster. Represent. G. I'm mad that this, like, you can see the shadows here, but not too much
It's
on
not
the
bad
end.
though.
Yeah, no, it's pretty gangster.
Can I get a 6 milligram Bilo too, please?
Hi, Coach. What up, Okie Breeze? Emmitt, can you go through the site I sent? For what? What? What do you mean? What about this site? I use the same. 500 micros. Reason I asked because I saw your video and you mentioned the 1 hour. Yeah, no, it's definitely a confluence. We're confluence traders, bro. So higher time frame support resistance can absolutely add confluence to strengthen a trade idea. It just won't. More often than not, it's not going to push me away from taking a trade. It just strengthens the idea I already have. But from baseline, I promise you, I really just use breakouts with high volume. But yes, you can absolutely, like, if we're continuously pushing off one area, just same shit as yesterday when I don't know if you guys remember on US30. We just continuously kept pushing off of this area of rejection. So it's good to keep it in mind as to why price is kind of stalling out. Like, kind of same shit as now. That's probably why price continues to stall out because we're just sitting at an aggressive hourly support. But it's not really a hindrance for me not to take a trade, bro. It's just to form a confluence. It used to be. If we were sitting in a 4-hour support or hourly support, it would just completely be a no trade day for me. But I'm open to invest every single day, bro. There's really not any more no trade days for me, ever, except for PM session. That's not true. PM session we've had a couple no trade days because this shit's fucking ass price action to be completely honest. But during New York Open, during London Open, never, bro. There's no such thing as no trade days. There's scalping opportunities every single day heavy. Why is this EP getting a drink somewhere? Because he's an adult, bro. So he just, drinks.
I ain't getting no alcohol. All it is get a Celsius. People judging me.
I'm judging you too, bro. You're trying to get women, and all you're doing is drinking alcohol on a fucking Thursday afternoon. It's crazy. We had a no trade day in the kingdom, did we? New York.
I don't remember.
Oh wow, you guys had a no. What do you mean? I saw Mama's story. He hit like 20. Oh, that was a reel, so maybe that was from a different day. How long you're being here? Pretty much just gonna be here until you tell me to get off, bro. So you let me know how long that I should be here today. Yeah, yeah. Bet, big dog. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. No, I mean listen, bro. I'm trying to invest, bro. I want to get this challenge going, bro. Let's pass this bitch. Let's fail this bitch. Let's move on with this motherfucker. If you guys want to see fast pace, if you guys want to see trades initiated the first 30 minutes, guaranteed every single time, 100% of the time, join New York Stock Exchange Open with me. It's extremely fast paced. You're able to see the system in its fluid state, and I'm a fucking hitter, bro.
I missed the king at fucking New York session. You
King
guys
of
didn't
New
catch
York.
on.
Used to be Bullseye, now it's me. You remember that dude?
I do. What happened, bro?
Probably just set fires in the wrong areas, bro.
Yeah.
That's all. Celsius is
Trading
supposed to be
industry has
very bad
changed.
for you, by the way.
Oh, it is. I know. I get tired of coffee. Like I can only have one coffee a day. I get tired of it.
Oh, you guys are lacking here, bro. This account. Oh, it's been out. Oh, it's only been out for 2 hours. Never mind, my bad. If you guys get this up to 100 likes by Wednesday, we give out 2 free accounts. Same shit that happened last week. If you guys don't get it up to 100 likes, well, then it'll only be one account giveaway. Bullseye was a great trader. Hell yeah. All I remember from Bullseye is he came on stream with me and Dollar one day. That was when we were pushing too. I think that was like 700 people on stream, and he lost a couple trades doing a back testing session. Because we all fucking lose. And they just his chat just ripped him a new one, bro. It was such a disrespectful stream, dog.
But the trading community is fucked.
It's a wreck. Not mine. Nobody tells me shit, bro. I don't know. It's just because they know I'll just fucking send them to the shadow realm. Not like we're talking shit. Just I'll just fucking kick them because I don't got time for that shit. It's my world. But
Yeah.
I think my community is very respectful. We're all respectful of each other. We really win together and don't have any of that shit. Like bro, if I lose it, not anymore. Mambas is very respectful to me now as well. But when I first started, you fucking lose a trade, bro. That'd be so disrespectful, bro. Like just crazy trading community. But it's gotten a lot better now. But yeah, Bullseye seemed to be a solid trade. I mean, I didn't really know him personally or anything, but he seemed to know what he was talking about. For a man who was as confident as he was, you sure as fuck would hope that he knew what he was doing for sure. Mamba traded, but on his own, not for the kingdom. There was no trade. He saw it open, so he didn't want to risk L. So it's cool. Yeah, no, I dig it. I mean, we're on an undefeated week. I think for everybody in that group, so he probably just wanted to keep that. It's been a good week. I had a bad day, and the Zen community always helps me get my head straight and tell me advice and guidance on how to improve. So Zen Lab is a place to be. Zen Lab is a place to be. Now we do hold people accountable. It's not. It's Zen, but it's not the Zenest of places. If you continuously do the same shit over and over again, you're gonna hear some heat from it. But it's good. Everybody in that group has a commonality within each other, which is they want to get to the next level, whether that's being profitable, whether it's having a secure second stream of income. And it's not going to happen unless you vocalize. When you do things incorrect and you keep it internal, some people can assess and kind of cruise over the course of time and get better. But most people, they just stay within that realm of just unprofitable emotional trading. But when you're vocal about it, and you have a community who's telling you like, yo, bro, you want to keep doing this shit, you're never gonna be able to see results like us. I think it kind of flips a switch of like, man, I wanna I wanna win with the rest of the community. I really have to pull my head out of my ass and start doing the things that I know I need to do so I can be a profitable trader. And that's kind of what the community aspect is. Everybody in the same place, trading the same exact system, and trying to get the same results. And when things are skewed, if everybody's winning and you're not winning, then it's like, all right, why the fuck am I not there with everybody else? And um, I think it could be beneficial for people who hold themselves accountable. JP gave me the heat yesterday. JP will always give everybody the heat every day, bro. That's his job. That's what he does. New York session with King this morning was brutal, and Mama did not want us to lose, so we did not trade. Hell yeah. Good for him, bro. He's solid. He's really
No
good at
trade
his
is
thing.
better than a loss.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to be the weakest link. Yeah, no, facts, bro. So many people fall behind and shit, man. There's been people in it like Giano, bro. Giano's been with me for like 6 months or something. That boy's gotten fucking payouts, bro. This fucking guy's traveling the world right now. He's putting his whole family on. He's buying his family accounts and shit. Rebel's been with us for a while, but Rebel learned a lot on his own and shit too. But we have some people who are doing very well. We have some people who are starting to do well because I know my group fell off last year when I just stopped fucking posting shit and kind of gave up on everything. But it's just I don't think it's that hard, bro. Like I said, it's just a time aspect. People just don't want to spend the fucking time. They think shit needs to happen extremely quick, and so when it doesn't within a couple months, they either give up on trading or the majority of people they just outsource to other information, and then they're just another fucking pawn in the ocean of unprofitable trading. just trying a million different things but never getting anywhere. It's so interesting to watch, bro. You see so many people who struggle and they be hopping in the community. It was like, oh, I fucking was trading supply and demand today, and they're trading support resistance the next day, and they're trading fundamentals the next day. It's like, bro, how the fuck can you keep up with all that shit, bro? But I think it just like eases your mind. When you're not doing well, do something different, you know? And I don't think that works in trading. You can start to do things different, but it just takes time. But if you're doing shit different on a week-to-week basis because you had a bad week, and instead of reassessing and trying to double down on the foundation you have, people, it's just a shitstorm, bro. That shit does not work in trading.
I think it's fine to switch your system. Like, say you're unprofitable. I think it's fine to switch a system after a month of no progress.
Yeah, I don't think that for fucking shit. If anybody thinks you're gonna be profitable trading a system in a month, you can't even understand a system in its entirety in a month. It's just not my system, at least. You just can't. You simply just can't.
I'm not saying being profitable within a month, but I'm saying like have a good grasp. Like, I don't know. I feel like the right system would click fast for somebody. Like within a month, you'll have a good grasp of it. I'm not saying be profitable, but
Yeah, good grasp, but you finally get a
you're still.
decently good grasp, but you have okay or average or not really much results, and you switch to the next shit. That could have been your golden strategy. Have you not had bad months in your trading before, bro? Have you went a whole month trading the same system you're trading right now and not reap profits from it? Well, of course you have. You've had bad months with it. But if you would have just given up on it because you had a bad first month, you're not allowing for that skill set to form, and know that nothing good is ever going to come of that. You can't be a sporadic ass nigga. Shit takes time to acquire a skill set doing something. It's just simply put, if I'm hiring somebody, I'm gonna hire the dude who's been doing the job for a year versus the dude who's been doing it for a month because he has more experience. You know, just as simple as that. More often than not, statistically, the person who does something longer than the other person's gonna be better at it. Are there anomalies and shit? Like, yeah, but experience kills fucking everything else. Mamba hilarious, but fools be rage baiting him writing on the screen and shit. Bro, I don't know why him and Luca do that shit, bro. If you just
They allow
click the
people to
more
write.
button, I know. You can just disable annotations and then nobody can ever write it on the screen ever again. Ever. Well, you know. People like to have fun with that shit. The issue is that nigga don't take no shit. Just like I don't. So people write on the screen once, it's like, boom, fucking ban this guy. And then they're out. Because, you know, but it's good though. It's good to put children in their place, you know? Drawing dicks on the screen and shit, you know, get them out of here, bro. We don't got time for that. I'm still trying to pass a challenge, but I'm here daily trying to improve more and more. I gotta stick to one strategy. I'm always looking for two, but I only need one. There you go, bro. You already know what time. You already know what you need to do. So if you don't do it, you might just be a psycho. You know what I'm saying? Like let's let 2026 be the year of not only coming to the realization that you have a problem like a fucking drunk, but actually doing something about it instead of just admitting that there's an issue. This is what I need to do, and so this is what I did. Boom, bro. Correct that shit, and let's get to actually making some money. How was London last night? How was London session last night, Coach? Amazing, bro. It's been an amazing day. I think I understand your system. It's all the other bits, points, stop loss, TP, getting in and out. No, but that's fine, Anto. That's what stage you're on in the system right now, bro. I think today or tomorrow is the last day, but everything is in the course. You've already acquired the strategy. You've already watched me trade it every single day. As far as how to risk, as far as where to trade, as far as what prop firms are, how much to trade on prop firms, all of that shit, stop loss placement using ATR, all of that is the last like 6 videos of the course. I didn't leave anything out, fam. I didn't leave one single detail of what to trade out of this system. So you just please make sure you watch all those, man. I put a lot of time into making sure I can turn a lot of you guys into beasts. You know what I mean? For sure. Hey, bro. Sorry I didn't see. Is US30 similar to MNQ? I mean, used to be until Nvidia came across the block. Now they have a bit more inverse correlation, but yes, they are very similar to each other. Absolutely. As a whole, higher time frame. I mean, look at them right now. You can't even tell the difference between these two right now. It's a perfect time to ask. They're very similar. During New York Open, they do have a lot of again inverse correlation, but like long term, bro, you ain't gotta take it from me, fam. You just go on the charts, go to hard time frames, and see what they're looking like. They're looking pretty fucking the same, you know.
Do you use fixed lots on all your trades?
Yeah.
Like even if it's double the size stop loss?
Yeah, still the same.
Damn. Gangsta.
Yeah, because I'm going for points out of the month, you know, not on a trade to trade basis.
I like that.
The strategy clicked for me quickly compared to the ICT mess. No way, bro. ICT is so easy to learn. Yeah, bro, it's just confusing. He's just a fucking. He just took a whole bunch of concepts that have already been out into the open and put his own names on it, just like everybody does. Just like I did with Zen Zones, bro. Zen Zones is just supply and demand, but I had bullish Zen Zones and bearish Zen Zones. It's all the same shit. None of us created anything. That fucker never created the algorithm, but the more you overcomplicate things, the more it's just going to lead to hesitation because you don't have confidence behind what you're doing because you have to do a top-down analysis of a million different reasons as to why price might reject from this area or what you need to wait for to get in. And it's just, especially as a scalper, maybe not a swing trader, that shit just leads to such poor execution, bro. Me and EP, we keep shit simple as a motherfucker, bro. We keep shit so fucking simple, bro. It's
Simple
so
as
easy
fuck.
to trade. Holy shit, the real Daniel motherfucking Savage in the building. What up, nigga? Bro, hop on this bitch. Holy shit. Now we're cooking.
That's where me and Emmitt met.
That's right, bro. Daniel Savage started all this. Daniel Savage said, what the fuck, bro? You know, it was the first stream I ever hopped on. I would never even be here educating people if it wasn't for this nigga. For real, though. I hopped on the stream at first because I hit a 10K payout from FTML. I was hyped about it, so I was just going ham about boasting about it and shit. He let me on his stream back when he was pulling insane stream numbers. And then for some reason, I don't know why on planet fucking Earth, he invited me to come out to Miami. And it was up from there, bro. Daniel's a very good, very, very close friend to me now. Going to do a payout interview at 3 fam. Oh, solid, bro. Where can we watch that at? Is that on Funded Heroes page? Can we go stream hack that shit? Saluted at Savage. Yeah, nah. OG, big OG in the game, bro. The OG of the game, bro. That nigga is crazy though. Lived up to the name Savage in multiple fucking ways, you fucking monster. That shit hilarious. He banned a fool today because he said he lost, but we had no trade. Yeah, there's no room for incompetence in that group. You know, I like that shit though, bro. Some people just better get in line and make money with us, bro. That's what we're here for. We can grow together, and healthy criticism is good. But some people just hop on there because they don't have any fucking voice. So their voices try to go against the grain and say some bullshit, and you just gotta just slap them down and put them right back in that little box, you know? Fuck off. Kind of vibes. But yeah, this is, bro. This price action is fucking disgusting. On a scale of 1 to 10 of tradable, probably like a 1.5. Probably a 1.5. A tough day too. A couple yesterday or the day before, we went out to just do some shit and took my car to get some shit done and went shooting and all that shit, bro. I took like 3 hours. Was this 2 days ago or yesterday? I don't know. The days merged together. To spend like 3 hours editing it myself, bro, because I like editing those vlogs. And I got completely to the end of it. I was making like a little bio of this shit, just so like, you know, a couple clips, just so, you know, you can hold retention, all that shit, whatever. Fucking CapCut freezes. And then I can't get back into shit. So I'm like, all right, I'm trying. Like, no way I just spent 3 hours doing this. Shut down my computer, turn my computer back on. And somehow the file's corrupt. And so now I have to, it was like a whole hour and 30 minutes I edited down to like a 20-minute sauce video, bro. I actually enjoyed it. So maybe I'll go fucking tap into that shit and get it done for you guys. But yeah, I think, bro, I think this is, not gonna lie, bro. I don't think I'm taking a trade today. Just
I
gonna
can't
keep it
see
a
there
thousand
being a
percent with you.
an opportunity.
Like this shit's fucking nuts. For the past like, let alone the past 30 minutes, bro. But for the past fucking since New York opened, the past like 5 hours, bro. We're not going anywhere, dude. I just want to take a nice little. Wow. I think the only fool who made money with ICT is Jade Cat, but he adjusted it. Not many people make money with ICT, bro. You got SMC Jello. I love that fucker. He's solid. Um, there's a lot of people in the LGBTQ community who make money with ICT. Just joking. Hey, what's US30 on Legacy for, please? YM, bro. Young Money. Think of Lil Wayne, Lil Wayne, Lil Wayne, Young Money, Young Money. Price action is crazy today. Facts. I learned ICT from TGR. That's why I said people from the LGBTQ community are really heavy on that ICT shit. Yeah, he kills it. 30-minute time frame is a beauty. Is it, bro? Let me see. Even 30-minute time frame ain't looking too beautiful here, bro. I'll tell you what though, we haven't broke above a previous candle high in a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in 2.5 hours, we haven't broken above a previous 30-minute high, which is, that's nuts, bro. That's awesome. That we are progressively moving lower, but there's as to where to get that entry in, bro. My God, dude, it's not showing me anything. Hey man, TJR is my hero. Hell yeah, bro. I love that. Didn't want to scratch a nerve, bro. Maybe he's my hero too. Maybe I secretly trade ICT when I hop up off of here. You never know. You doing London tonight, Emmitt? Nah, bro. Hell no, bro. I'm going to sleep, bro. As soon as I hop off of here, I'm about to bump some music, edit a little bit of this video, and then oh no, no, I'm not. I'm about to put this reel up real quick of the 40. Took me 42 days to double my account, and then I'm probably just about to go hang with the lady. To be honest with you, bro. I got nothing really left on my day today. I did everything I wanted to do. Might go shooting with Andre later. We'll see. Give that motherfucker a call.
Yeah, I've been going shooting forever. I love shooting.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's
Shit,
been a
bro. You
minute.
come out here, we go all the time.
Last time I shot was in Mississippi, and I shot a 50 cal, and that shit was
Oh,
fire.
wow. That's awesome, bro. Yeah,
That
I
shit's
never got to
fun.
shoot a 50 cal. The
Dude,
one
it's
that they
heavy.
have in, yeah, it's heavy, but I heard that's not, it's because they're so heavy and well made, it's not even as crazy recoil as you think it would be.
It's not. Well, mine was like a 50 cal rifle, like a Barrett.
Yeah.
So I was laying down, but
Yeah.
when I picked it up before I laid down, that shit's probably 60 pounds.
Yeah, hell yeah. That's half of your body weight. This Sunday, are you doing your regular time or is it still the later time? This Sunday, are you doing your regular time or is it still later time? Oh, it's my bad, bro. It's till the 29th and then it goes back to 3 a.m. Unfortunately. Have a wonderful day, coach. See you tonight at London session. I won't. I won't. I'm not trading London session tonight, bro. Yo, what's up? I missed something. Time difference got me. Nah, bro. We were just talking about you earlier. You kicking ass, my brother. You taking the Hellcat to track soon? Hellcat's being worked on right now, bro. Hellcat Zencat 2.0 is being loaded right now as we speak. But yeah, here's the issue, bro. Taking it to my guy who supposedly specializes in Hellcats. We'll see. He does. He's such a fucking beast, bro. Um, he really doesn't like the Hellcat being on air suspension for taking it to track day and shit, especially what he's doing to it now. So he's like really recommending me to remove that air suspension because they just have issues when you have so much fucking boost on that bitch. So um, I want to enjoy the airbags for a little bit before I get hella aggressive with it and shit. It's fucking dope that you can drop it all the way to the ground. But the regular transmission for these Chargers, the regular Hellcat, the stock transmission is actually, or suspension is fucking fire. It's a very good quality part. So when I get to, and not only are they quality, it's still pretty low. Like it's not too high. So, anyways, I want to, push some air out of the suspension, have it drop to the ground, raise it up and shit for a couple months, and then I'd probably remove that shit and then get to the track. But worst case, if I take it to track before I do that and anything breaks, then we just send it to the shop, fix the shit, and move on, bro. It's life. Can't baby this bitch forever. It's too much power behind it now. Always has been, but. You were talking about me? Yeah, bro. We were just talking mad shit about you, bro. Who's this fucking guy think he is? I peeped ICT. A homie showed me, but I couldn't do it. Fucking 40-minute video, food ranting, 5-minute info and shit was ass without watching the next 40-minute rants with 5 minutes info. So I quit after second video. Damn, bro. Taking shots. My videos are pretty fucking long. Not on this course or not. My videos for the mentorship, they were long as fuck, bro. Sometimes you gotta get a lot of shit out. Oh, he sure did, Gianna. Yeah. No London session on Thursday. Today's Thursday, bro. So tomorrow will be Friday. Right? Please to God tell me today's Thursday. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Then my kid showed Mamba. I'm like, this ninja out here living like Liberace. Yo. Yeah, that boy's living like a mob boss for real. It's nuts. I'm living like a boss, but not a mob boss. He's on a whole different playing field, my brother. I got to go hop off. Emmitt, thank you for everything. Not going to trade this barcode. Yeah, no, we'll run off of here together, y'all. Appreciate you guys for showing up. We'll definitely be here on Friday. And yeah, bro, make sure you guys go to the free channel, all 63 of you. If there's anybody here who hasn't joined yet, we'll fucking join. We do this every single day, putting documentation behind the principles you learn for free on this channel. And go into the giveaway section from this link. Make sure you guys like that post that gets put up every single Thursday. And fucking enter to get into the competition, bro. It's the easiest way you could potentially get an account. Yesterday, the nonchalant trader and Freddie Juarez himself won the account. Good for them. All day, every day, bro. We're just giving back. So if you guys can't become profitable, or you're not asking the correct questions, or you're not asking questions at all here, that's fucking nuts. If you are ready for the funded stage or to get a challenge account, it's still over. I think they're still at 60% off with code Zen. I'm pretty convinced that they're never going to change it. So if you want a prop from account, you're paying full price, you're out of your fucking mind. Go to fundedhero.com. The link is in the bio, and you can buy yourself an account for 60% off. And if you want a personalized broker, the broker you guys see me trade with every single day during New York Open, same shit, bro. The link is in bio. I trust them with all my capital for a reason. I've been with them for a whole year for a reason, because as scalpers, there is no better conditions as far as fees and daily withdrawals and conditions in its entirety. They offer 1 to 1,000 leverage, so there's no easier way to flip your account. But remember, just because you have 1 to 1,000 leverage doesn't mean you need to use all that shit, bro. It's just giving you the capability to do so if you want to fuck around and find out. Thanks for the game. Got you, bro. Thanks, Pro. Appreciate your time. Much love, bro. Do you ever give signals out there as well? We trade live every single day, bro. If you want a signal, you hop onto live stream and you take a trade as soon as I take a trade. There's no better of a fluid signal than that. We're teaching people how to do it for themselves, and it's tough to do so if you're just watching a buy now or sell now. You want to see the mechanics behind the move. You trading tomorrow AM? What kind of question is that, Jaime? Come on, bro. Let's be real. All right, see you guys tomorrow morning if you're in the group. If not, we'll see you guys for PM session and on YouTube. Take care. EP, take care too, bro.
Yes, sir. Enjoy, guys.